The DRL2000 series linear direct vent gas fireplace offers a clean-faced, low-profile design that is just right for contemporary and transitional spaces. Its sleek opening provides an exceptional view of the gently dancing flames rising through the beautiful reflective black glass floor media. The DRL2000 series also offers a variety of optional accessories to customize the look and yet retain the warm and lavish appeal throughout each season of the year. Available in 35, 45, and 55-inch models, the DRL2000 series includes electronic ignition, durable texture powder coat finish, and is backed by our 20-year limited warranty. Superior Fireplaces. Our name is our promise.